All right, guys, I need your help. We are about to be in quarantine here in Missouri, and me and Austin aren't going to be able to go fish. So I need your help and have you guys subscribe to the channel and leave a like on this video, because I am super close to monetization, and every sub and every view helps me out a ton. So make sure you leave a like and sub to the channel. Otherwise, me and Austin are going to die. But for real though, Missouri is going into a lockdown, and that's gonna start Monday. Today is Saturday. I didn't have a video for you guys Friday because I got sick, and I honestly thought somehow I just got the virus and was going to die. But I didn't, thank God. It was just a stomach bug and we're fine. But me and Austin only have today and tomorrow to go fish and film videos. But we need to catch fish today, which is our goal, so we have food in the freezer, because we're gonna be on complete lockdown, and me and Austin are just gonna be in our house all day doing nothing except play Pokemon Go or something. But that's today's goal, is to catch some crappie, catch some catfish. Me and Austin both brought a catfish pole and a catfish little rod holder, so hopefully we connect with a big catfish. We also went and bought some minnows, and we got jigs. We're gonna try to hook up with some crappie. I guess just wish us luck, because we really need the food now, so. Okay, bye. Yeah, we gotta put our gloves on because it's kind of chilly. It was like 75 and now it's all of a sudden like 5 degrees. But hopefully with some liver and cut up bait, we can hook up and do a catfish, or with our minnows and jigs, we can catch some crappie. So I'm gonna get this rigged up and then try to catch some fish. So I'll see you in a second. Drop my hands off. Don't want liver and blood all over my beautiful reel here. Then we're gonna sling the sucker out as far as we can. Oh, like a good spot. All right, stick this in the ground nice and tight, nice and deep. Oh well. We're gonna leave a little slack here. Turn my drag all the way down. Because the way this rig's set up, they're able to pull the line and the hook through the weight. So I'll be able to see if something's pulling on it, and it'll have no idea that it's even being hooked. All right, well, Austin's starting with a minnow. I'm gonna throw this little pink and chartreuse with like a blue and green flake on the inside of it, and see if we can catch ourselves some crappie. So guys, with this quarantine and lockdown happening, filming videos is going to be extremely hard, and that's why I need your guys' help with you guys subscribing and watching my videos over this lockdown, because I'm extremely close to being able to get monetized, which means I'll be able to make money off my videos, which will lead to more giveaways and even cooler videos and to the upgrade of my cameras and stuff. So it would be greatly appreciated if you subscribe to the channel. Only if you enjoy that. Don't do it just because I'm asking you to. Also, since me and Austin are both on lockdown, since we're literally just neighbors, we need video ideas. What do you guys want to see during this lockdown? I can go, you know, YouTube Live or Instagram Live, or we could do, I don't know, like tackle reviews. We can do literally anything. We'll have all the time in the world to do things and film things. So if you guys have some ideas for us on what you guys want to watch, let me know down in the comments below. Oh, also, because I forgot to mention, we did hit 100 subscribers, like 100 gained subscribers. So I'm going to be giving away a bag of soft plastics or just a lure to one of you guys. But since we're doing 1,000 subscriber giveaways on the YouTube channel, we're going to be doing this on my Instagram. So make sure you follow my Instagram handle. I'll pop it up on the screen right here. Or you can go down to the description. I have it linked down below. But I'll post something about it, and it'll be a simple giveaway. How's the bobber fishing?
Slow. I think I've had 2 bites though.
Be nice if we can catch some crappie. What's our goal for today in like fish numbers? We talking 2 catfish and what, like 10 crappie?
Yeah.
It's not impossible. It's definitely manageable.
Maybe like a 3-pound bass.
Yeah. I honestly would probably keep a couple panfish like bluegill and stuff too if we caught some. The bass, I don't know if I want to keep bass, but if it resorts to it, we might have to. Oh, oh, no! It was a bass. Still, man, that was a fish.
You had a fish, that's all.
I had a fish. You guys saw it. It's on camera. I know you saw it. It counts, kind of. Not really. Listen here, Crappie. I know you're out there, and you will be caught. We will go into day 2 of this video if we have to. Oh, baby. Oh my God, they keep spitting it out. Yeah. But they keep spitting it out. I don't understand. My hook broken? No. Kind of. Kind of setting the hook. Okay, guys. Well, it's been a hot minute. We had, I think I had 2 bass come off, and then we lost a crappie. But that's about it. It's just been super slow, and I think it's because this random cold front that came out of literally nowhere. It was like 75 degrees and we were riding bikes every day, but now it's just freezing cold. So we're gonna move across the lake. We're gonna fish a little more of a shallow flat over yonder. And if we don't catch anything there, we got a pond behind me here that we're gonna try out, and maybe we can catch a catfish out of that. And I don't know, we haven't caught a crappie out of that thing in years, but maybe a crappie, who knows. But hopefully we catch some crappie. Otherwise, well, I'm gonna die, so yeah. Okay, I'm probably not going to die, but I could really use the fish, just in case. You know, we're in quarantine too long, we run out of food, we're gonna need the fish, so yeah. Wish us luck, we're gonna go to the other side now. Oh, God. It's chilly. Let's see if we can catch ourselves a little crappie. It's a bass? Yeah. Ah, hey man, that's a fish though. Let me use it for the content. Oh yes.
Ooh, chilly.
The elusive largemouth bass.
This might be considered a smallmouth.
Dang, Austin, that thing does have a small mouth.
God,
And he chomped it. Nice.
not bad.
Not bad. Dang, Austin, you're slaying him over here. This is the spot, huh?
Yeah.
Heck yeah,
I'll see
brother.
you catching these.
Flex that thing, man. That thing is about as long as my jig. There's a snake skin over here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, what'd I say? What'd I say? Oh, he popped off. He's a good one too. Wow. Yeah, he was a good one. He's probably a pound and a half. And he popped off once again. Dude, I swear my hook's broken. He also caught me by surprise. But hey, you guys saw I was hooked into something. I'm not faking it. Oh, oh yeah, I got one. For once, I actually got one in. Oh yeah, looky there. Ow, I just hooked my finger. Look at the eyes on that. Nice and yellow. Oh my gosh, I threw him back in. He jumped out back into the cattails. But hey, that's a catch. I can't eat it, but it's a catch. Day 2. Hey guys, it's day 2. It's a lot warmer, but a lot windier today. We couldn't really catch anything we could eat. We caught a few bass, I think, and that was about it. But we're gonna attempt to catch some crappie on this stupid windy day and have this video uploaded for you guys on a Tuesday, which is tomorrow. So we're gonna grind this video out, see if we can catch some crappie. You guys know how it is. I go to catch crappie, I catch a billion bass, but we'll see what happens. So I'm gonna throw the GoPro on and see you on that. All right, well, it is extremely windy, so if there's a bunch of wind noise, I'll try to edit it out, but I can't promise it's gonna be great. The audio might be cheeks, but we're going to attempt to catch some fish for you guys. Try to keep you entertained during this quarantine. And I learned the other day that I am still able to go out and fish and do all the fun things that I want to do as long as I stay 6 feet apart from that guy.
6 feet apart.
So I got a 7-foot rod, so as long as he doesn't come inside this rod right here, we're gonna be fine. Oh my God.
Look at that.
What is that thing?
It only produces big ones here.
You know, Austin, I heard you catch fish that's usually the size
Whoa.
of your spinning reel.
Whoa. Call those males.
Oh no! I didn't catch him. He fell off. That thing was a dink. I used my pole to measure. Man, there's no way I'm gonna be able to feel a bite.
I know.
My line is so slacked.
Wait until it tightens up.
Like that. Oh! What'd I say? Alright, just for informing you guys on this video, now that I don't need to catch food for myself, nor that I actually have to catch fish for food, we were just prepping ourselves to see if we were able to do it. Well, we don't have crappie and catfish, so if we absolutely had to, we'd be eating these guys, but we're not going to. We have food at home for now, but I'm just saying we would probably die if we had to catch crappie and catfish, because we haven't caught any of those yet. We're gonna say goodbye to this guy. Oh, nice. Nice. I don't know.
Huh?
It ain't coming out though.
Can you get a new slider?
Oh God, look how much this line is stretching.
Sure you're not just dragging it?
Okay, well, I think we're gonna cut our video short here. It is extremely windy. I don't even know if you guys can hear me or not. You might be able to. I got a little wind muff on my mic. But the fishing's not very good right now. We've had a couple cold fronts come in the last couple days, and I think it's kind of throwing the fish off. These crappie, I think we're starting to come in, because one of those days it was like, what, like 75 out?
Yeah.
It was like 75 out, the water was actually getting warm, and we were pooping on the crappie. But all we can get now are dinky little bass out of the nursery, so that kind of sucks. But before I end this video, make sure you guys check out this video. I'll throw the thumbnail right here. You guys check that video out. I'm doing a giveaway. I'm going to choose the winner next Tuesday. Like not during like the time this video goes up, the next Tuesday. I'm gonna pick a winner, and there's rules and stuff on there. You gotta follow those rules. You gotta be subbed to my channel, and you guys can win a brand new reel. So make sure you check that video out. And well, I hope you guys enjoyed me and Austin going to starve because we can't catch fish. So that's awesome. But if you guys did somehow enjoy the video, make sure you leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'm honestly just kind of grinding towards 2,000 right now. My goal for the end of the year is 10,000 subs. And to get monetized. I'm getting close to being monetized. I just gotta keep uploading. My watch hours keep going down because it's based off of the watch hours from the last 12 months. So if I'm not uploading, it's kind of screwing me over. So I gotta keep uploading, and I hope you guys are enjoying the content. Also, what do you guys think of me doing like a 24-hour like quarantine survival challenge? I kind of just go out to like my farm, make a tent, bring some food, and literally just chill out there for 24 hours, just away from everybody. Would you guys enjoy that? And well, if you would, let me know in the comments below, and drop some vid ideas. I like doing videos that you guys, you know, choose for me. You guys have the best ideas, and I want to give you guys videos that you want to see. So let me know in the comments below. But I'm gonna catch you guys on the next episode of Bad Bass Fishing, and folks, like always, stay hooked.